What's up, family? We are back. TK from Profit Takers. I'm ready to do another charting session. It's time to get active, pull up those charts, monitor the rest of the positions that we entered earlier this week to see how we need to proceed, whether closing those trades or letting them run. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, last night during the London session, we took a AUD CAD sale. We were looking at this trade earlier this week, and where did we enter? We entered a little early. Here it is. So I was looking at this structural level. Let me get some of this stuff out of the way. Let me go to a higher time frame. Here we go. Excuse me. So I was looking at this structural level here. Price was in this massive downtrend right here. And I looked at this area once it was broken as a possible area of structure. And we were just looking for this area to be retested to get a continuation of this downtrend. But instead, price with those lows. All right, so we had this wick here and it started to sell. But as you can see, it immediately continued moving back up. So we went into profit shortly. We hit TP1 on this trade setup, and then it came back to clip the rest of our trades at break even. Now right here at these highs, once price came back, I saw divergence being formed on the smaller time frame. Now let me go to it and just show you. So in the 15-minute, once we got to those highs, this is what I noticed. Okay, so price failed to make a higher high. Then looking at our EMAs, all of the EMAs got really close. My shorter time frame EMAs and my 50-day. Now I entered on a smaller time frame. So on the smaller time frames, when you guys are looking for reversals, whether it's for an uptrend or a downtrend, one thing that you'll begin to notice is that all of your EMAs, they start to get really close together, especially if you're using the 50 and the 200. They'll get really close together and start to squeeze. At that point, you will see an impulse, whether it's to the upside or to the downside. It's kind of similar to the trading concept that they use with that indicator called the Bollinger Bands. Now, I don't use the Bollinger Bands, but there's something called a Bollinger Squeeze. When the band gets really tight and the EMAs in the middle of the band, they all get really close to price. And it's really just showing you where consolidation is. After a certain amount of consolidation, liquidity is formed above it or below it. And at some point, price has to make its move to capture the money. What's up, Richard? Price has to make that move to capture that money that's hidden, okay? So this, I believe, will be a liquidity grab before price turns around to continue to break those highs. Okay, so what trade was that? AUD CAD. Got you. What's going on with that chart? Where's my timer? Okay, here we go. I forgot I still had that thing on. All right, there we go. So now we got this nice drop with AUD, CAD, and what we have here is price consolidating again. Let's see. Now on the 1 hour, this thing looks like it just retested this flag and it's ready to go down. But when we go back to that 15-minute, there is a chance that it could peak right above and actually give us another position on this trade setup. I believe these lows are in danger. So our original entry was not this high, so let's go ahead and adjust these targets slightly. Okay, cool. So now, like I said, we have price traveling within range right here. We got alerts set below and above. Let's check out that S&P 500 buy that we took earlier. Oh, let's go. All right, so we hit TP1 and TP2 on S&P 500.
Win, 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 win.
Yeah. All right, so now we need to see if this thing will break the highs. If it does, I will wait until next week to add to this position. Okay, we got a double bottom here. Prices above all of our EMAs showing that it's bullish, that the sentiment is bullish right now. Okay, so now we got a money battle. We got a lot of liquidity above this area here. And it looks like we may have a possible bull flag forming. So when it comes to this, I say we let it run. This sell on AUD, CAD. We'll see what happens, but right now it looks like we need to let it run. We also entered this Euro JPY buy. Right underneath TP2 with this one. Let me get an alert right here. Now we do got an inverse head and shoulders right here inside of this area of range. So let's see what happens once price pulls back to retest this right shoulder. Let's see if this thing could give it a little bounce and give it enough momentum to break above those highs. So we'll just move our stop loss deeper into profit on this trade and let her run. We also hit TP1 on this trade, so another win for the team. Let's go.
Win, 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 win. Yeah.
also took US oil. We got TP1 hit on US oil right now. Price looks like it wants to break this high. This is a significant level right here. We need to break this. With the way price pushed above this 618, looks like we have a great chance that we'll see a continuation in this trade as well. So TP1 in the books, TP2 and 3 on the way. I say we let them run. Set an alert right here underneath the 618. Now we were looking for a gold sell here. Looks like we jumped out a little early. Now it's still consolidating. Like, man, I was a wick too early too. For that 1 to 7. I almost not got that, but that's fine. That's fine. It's all a part of the process. So now we got liquidity up here. This low is significant. So we'll look at this as a possible area of range. That area at the bottom will be the structural level of support, and right up here at the highs, this will be our structural level of resistance. I want to know what happens if this is broken. Same thing here. Let me go down to a smaller time frame. Yeah, so looks like we will get a move soon. This is what I was explaining to you guys earlier, where all of your EMAs get really close to price. Okay, normally you'll see this type of reaction, okay? If your 200 or your 50 moves away from price, when it's going up, you'll see a continuation of that uptrend, vice versa when it's moving away from price. On top, you'll see a continuation of that downtrend, but everywhere that you see all of the EMAs get really close, it's normal. It's normally a reversal in trend that's about to come. Okay, this was an uptrend. EMAs got tight. What happened? A reversal in trend. You got a downtrend. Okay, same thing here. Everywhere you test this for the downtrend, right here, the EMAs got tight. Get up move. Same thing here. Okay, so this will happen over and over again. And in this area, it looks like we have the possibility of this playing out again. So that's what the smaller time frames are telling us. But what we want to wait on is some type of confirmation on a 15-minute. So we'll be patient. We had those alerts set, and that'll be it. So as far as maintenance, on our trade setups, everything ended up going out well. Did we look at AUD/JPY? I believe we did. What happened? Oh, damn. That was our entry. Shit. Okay. So that was our sell entry we just missed on AUD/JPY right here. So this daily level, price just smashed through it, okay? But it did not reach our last target area. So I looked at this area as a possible bull flag. I'm sorry, my apologies. I was thinking faster than my mouth could keep up. I was looking at this area as a possible bear flag, and we just missed our entry. What time was that? Oh, that was Thursday at night. Was that like 8 o'clock? Either way, we should have had that limit order set. That was a nice entry, nice wicked entry for that sale. And it's already down, 100 pips. It's okay. So we're still looking for this short here. Now we just need to find an entry since we missed our entry. Okay, well, let's go. Let's see how this next candle closes. Depending on how price reacts, we're either gonna enter right here, or we're gonna enter right here at this double top. All right, that gives us a 1 to almost 15. Let's set some alerts right here. Uh-oh. Looks like our AUD USD trade just turned around as well. Where's my stop loss on AUD USD? Oh, okay. Wow. So I actually put my stop loss above these highs here, right at this level. And I'm back at break even. That's really smooth. Let's see, because price came really close to my stop. Let's see how this thing is looking. Let's see if we'll be able to add to this sale right here. So this thing is looking a lot like AUD CAD. Okay. So we'll use that area to add another position. And as far as this stop loss, we're gonna keep it right here at these highs. Okay, that's a 1 to 19. Let's get these targets in. First target 0.65017. TP2 0.64229. TP3 pending. All right, TP3 we got 0.63287. Nice. Set some alerts at these TPs and we'll be done for the day. So, massive wins this week, you guys. Very tight stops on the trades that we did get lessons on. And everything is working together. So, we appreciate you guys for jumping on, taking advantage of these trade setups. We're floating a couple $1,000s in profit. What is all of this vibration going on over here? Hold on a second. Okay, cool. Got a meeting to hop on after this. But where are we? So like I was saying, we appreciate you guys for hopping on with us. Thank you for taking advantage of these tools and trusting us to guide you through your trading journey, to help you get experience, to help you get comfortable, to help you execute and become a professional. All right. So if you guys are not in position and you want to start, but you don't know where to begin, head to our website, profittakerseu.com. Click that courses tab. Go down to our free courses and sign in, put your information in, and we'll send you a copy of our free 9-day course and the free trial to our mindset series, Structure Breaking. In this piece, we go over the power of your thoughts, beliefs, and actions, and we also use our 6-week journal to help you become more intentional with your words so you can speak everything you want into existence. And we also have a few books available on Amazon, 6 Steps to Trading with Consistent Results. This covers the concepts that I show you guys in our live charting sessions and in our trading sessions. Outside of that, we have our merch available so you guys support the dream, support the vision, and remember you're only one trade away from living. One fight to stay the same.
Okay, let the streets know. Okay, let the streets know.